The Alvan Great Trough Creek Stream Restoration Project near Wood, Pennsylvania transformed land long since damaged into a safer, healthier, and more vibrant environment. Rainwater running through the area fed into abandoned underground mines for decades, picking up harmful metals and contributing to the Dudley discharge, which polluted local waterways, ultimately threatening the Chesapeake Bay watershed. The Pennsylvania Department of Environmental Protection's Bureau of Abandoned Mine Reclamation remedied the situation by rerouting streams away from the mines, building over 6,000 feet of clay and rock-lined channels, and grading more than 52 acres of hazardous land. The reclamation effort called for a collaboration of both state and contracted crews, blasting through solid bedrock, pumping water to prevent flooding, installing resistant clay layers to keep water out of underground mines, and carefully relocating a major drinking water line without disrupting the town's supply. On site, rock was crushed and reused, saving money and reducing truck traffic, while flow monitors track water improvements to inform future reclamation projects. Beyond water quality, the project removed dangerous high walls and spoil piles, making the land safer for hunters and visitors as wildlife, including eagles and other birds of prey, return to inhabit the restored fields. This powerful story of renewal, where water runs clean, land is safe, wildlife thrives, and communities benefit from a healthier environment, is thanks to a $4.1 million investment and sound reclamation practices. We proudly recognize the Alvan Great Trough Creek Stream Restoration Project as the 2025 Appalachian State's Abandoned Mine Land Reclamation Award recipient.